Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius using an easy method. This simple three-step process is perfect for quick estimations, especially when you need to understand temperatures without a calculator. We'll go through each step clearly, helping you grasp the concept of temperature conversion for everyday situations. Get ready to make sense of those temperature readings with confidence and ease. Our first step is super straightforward. Take your Fahrenheit temperature and simply subtract 30 from it. For example, if it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit, you'd subtract 30, leaving you with 40. This initial subtraction helps us get closer to the Celsius scale by adjusting for the difference in their freezing points. It's a crucial starting point for our easy approximation. Now for our second step, you'll take the number you got from subtracting 30 and divide it by 2. Continuing our example, if you had 40, dividing by 2 gives you 20. This division helps to account for the different size of the degree units between the two scales. It's a quick way to scale down your number towards the Celsius value. And there you have it. The number you've reached is your approximate Celsius temperature. In our example, 20 degrees Celsius is a good estimate for 70 degrees Fahrenheit. While this isn't an exact scientific conversion, it's a fantastic and easy trick for quickly understanding temperatures in Celsius. Practice this method a few times, and you'll be converting temperatures like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.